Today, we'll go over how to log in to the Product IP platform and how to switch accounts. First, we go to the Product IP website. Click on Login. Enter your registered account name and your password. Click on Login. After logging into your account, we can click on Switch Account. Switching for the first time, there may be no history here, so we need to click on Select Other Account. Then the account you can support will be shown below. For example, this TIC Combi account below. Click on it. Then the switch is done and you are in the account you support. When needed, you can click on the Chinese flag and system language will change to Chinese. Thank you.